Hi, Pauric here at McNally Motors. Today I'm going to show you around our 2019 Volkswagen Polo. This is the 1 litre petrol Comfortline model, finished in a blue metallic paint. It's got a low on the road tax of €190. It'll be sold with a new NCT. It's got a full service history and is sold a 12 months warranty. Now we'll take a look at some of the features this car has to offer. It's got the front and rear parking sensors with front fog lights, daytime running lights, 16-inch multi-spoke alloy wheels with 4 new tyres all around. It's got very clean bodywork also. It's got a nice size spacious boot for a hatchback with fold down seats for additional space. Spare wheel kit. It's got plenty of legroom in the back. It's got the Isofix for the car seats. It's finished in a navy and a grey cloth interior. It's got electric windows, electric mirrors, multifunctional steering wheel, a built-in radio, phone and cruise control functions. It's got the touchscreen radio with built-in Bluetooth. It's got the park and assist. Manual handbrake, 5-speed manual gearbox, 2 USB ports, and there's just 45,440 kilometers on the clock. This Volkswagen Polo would make an ideal starter car, and here at McNally Motors we can offer a wide range of finance options to suit your needs. Please give us a call on 043 33 45621 or visit our website at www.mcnallymotors.ie where you can view this car and book a test drive. Thank you very much.